So I'll be giving you a brief walkthrough of the financial management module of this application. So let's begin with the homepage. As you can see, the dashboard is designed as a mosaic, giving you a quick, actionable view of your most important data points and tasks. This isn't just an ordinary dashboard, it's a smart, analytical, and user friendly. So, right away, you'll notice it highlights key insights. The dashboard pulls together critical analytical data, showing you the trend and potential areas of concern. For example, if there is a risk of fraud or a data entry, it brings those to your attention so that you can address them proactively. It also identifies recurring expenses which uh, may have been overlooked in any given month by analyzing past transactions, ensuring a more accurate and a comprehensive financial record. The dashboard is not just about displaying number, it's about providing meaningful insights that can help you make informed decision. So additionally, this dashboard is packed with the relevant charts, particularly uh, useful for the finance team, such as income and expenses uh, for any financial period, your bank balances, and also purchase, sales, how many, what are the top 10 expenses during a particular financial period, whether it's a particular month, quarter, or a financial year. If your business has workflow set up, the dashboard helps you stay on the top of approvals as well. So we have a dedicated section where the transaction waiting for you review or approval are listed, ensuring that nothing slips through cracks. You can also take actions whether you want to approve it or you want to reject, or if you want to forward this workflow to someone else to review and approve. And you can see the history of the document, who created this and who has approved this document already. And also you can write a rejection message if you're going to reject this flow. Now, moving on to the next feature, system supports the management of multiple organizations. This is particularly useful for businesses that operate across various entities. In ValueUp, you can easily define and manage multiple organizations within a single system. The system ensures that data is segregated so that one organization's information doesn't interfere with another's. This helps businesses maintain clarity and structure across different entities. The system uses role based access control, which means each user only sees the data they are authorized to view. For example, if you're assigned access to one organization, you'll only be able to view and manage data for that specific organization. Let's have an overview of the menu of financial management module. This module provides a complete suite of tools for managing company finances, starting with account payable. In this section, users can easily record purchase invoices for goods or services, manage vendor payments efficiently, and access payable aging reports to track outstanding balances and due dates. Moving on to accounts receivable, here we find tools for generating and managing revenue. You can record sales invoices and track customer payments effortlessly. Additionally, the system offers a dunning configuration to set up automated reminders for overdue invoices, helping maintain timely payments. Receivables aging reports provide insights into outstanding invoices so you can manage collections proactively. Next, the bank and cash management section supports financial reconciliation and cash flow tracking. Here, users can perform bank reconciliation, set up new bank accounts, manage cash books, and record cash journals. These tools streamline daily banking activities and help maintain accurate cash records. In GL accounting, we have several tools for managing the general ledger. Users can enter journal entries directly, ensuring flexibility and accuracy in accounting. The GL distribution form allows allocation of amounts to different dimensions, and users can even define fixed distribution rules for streamlined processing. This section also supports budget management, where users can define budgets and activate budget controls to monitor expenses against set limits. The reporting folder is the central hub for all financial reports. Here you can access standard financial statements, including balance sheets and income statements, to get a complete view of the company's financial performance. Moving to accounting setup, this section allows users to configure critical accounting settings. You can set up accounting book, customize the chart of account, enable accounting dimensions for more detailed reporting, and define tax rates and categories, including withholding taxes like debts or T. Lastly, in the GST section, users can file GST returns directly from the system, making tax compliance efficient and streamlined. Now, moving on to the next feature, chart of accounts. When you first access the system, you'll notice that a default chart of accounts is already uploaded into the system. This default COO provides a structured, pre-configured set of ledger accounts tailored to common business requirements, which makes it easy to get started with financial recording and reporting. However, we understand that every business has unique needs, therefore users have the option to customize the chart of accounts as needed, making it easy to tailor it to the specific accounting structure. For instance, if your business needs to track additional revenue or expense streams, you can easily add new ledger accounts right here. All you need to do is enter the account name, assign it an account type, and save, and it's instantly available for use in transactions. Now let's dive into the accounting dimensions feature, which lets us add extra detail to our financial tracking by setting up different dimensions like cost centers or profit centers projects. With organizational units, you can define areas such as departments or specific business units. For example, we can set up a cost center for a marketing department, profit center for our sales department. When we make a purchase or record sales, we can tag these transactions with the relevant cost or profit center, which helps us keep track of spending or income for each unit. This means we can create reports that show the performance of each department and even generate separate profit loss statements for each cost center or profit center. Additionally, we can use projects as an accounting dimension. For companies that work on different projects, this feature is very helpful. By tagging expenses and income for each project, we can track how much we're making or spending on each one, and we can even create a profit loss statement for each project individually. Now, moving on to the next feature, purchase invoice, which makes recording invoices quick and efficient. When you open the purchase invoice screen, you'll see a dedicated page filled with helpful widgets and charts related to accounts payable. This makes it easy to get a clear picture of outstanding invoices. You can filter records by document type, status, vendor, and more to focus on exactly what you need. For example, you can view all invoices that are due soon, invoices still in the approval process, or payments that are on hold. There's also a widget to see top vendors based on transaction amounts, as well as a payable aging chart that breaks down amounts owed by time periods. This way, you know exactly which payments are coming up and can prioritize accordingly. One standout feature is the document management system integration on the same page, allowing you to scan and upload invoices directly. Plus, with intelligent document processing, the system reads the uploaded invoice, automatically fills in details on the purchase invoice screen, and reduces manual data entry. These speeds up your work and reduces the chances of errors. Once you've entered the invoice details, you can easily send it for approval to a purchasing or finance manager thanks to the customizable workflow system. After approval, the system automatically posts the invoice to the right ledger accounts, keeping everything up to date with minimal effort. Similarly, on the accounts receivable side, our system makes it easy to manage customer invoices and track incoming payments. The sales invoice screen features a dedicated page filled with widgets and charts, giving you a quick overview of your receivables. On this screen, you'll find widgets displaying total outstanding invoices, amounts due soon, and invoices awaiting approval. There's also a top 10 customers widget to see which customers have the highest transaction amounts, and a receivables aging summary that categorizes outstanding payments by time buckets to help you easily spot overdue accounts. One key feature is the sales invoice print format, which is GST compliant and supports invoicing as per GST guidelines. This ensures that your invoices meet all GST requirements, including digital invoicing, which simplifies compliance and reporting for GST returns. Moving to the cash and bank management section, payment management form, which serves as a payment cockpit, giving you a comprehensive view of both current receivables and payables all in one place. This screen is designed to help you manage payments efficiently. You can filter transactions by customer or vendor, view invoices, that are due in the next few days or filter by invoice date to focus on specific periods. This flexibility makes it easy to see exactly what's coming up for payment or collection. From here, you can also record payments to vendors or receipts from customers using various payment modes like cash, check, or online transfer. Whether it's a single payment or a batch payment, multiple vendors for multiple invoices, the cockpit allows you to handle it all with ease. Additionally, you have a live view of the bank and cash balances across different bank and cash accounts, making it easier to manage cash flow and ensure you have funds ready for upcoming payments. The payment management form brings all the tools you need for payment processing into one efficient screen, simplifying cash flow management and saving valuable time. Moving to the next part, GL accounting module, where users can enter journal entries directly in the system, giving you complete control over your entries. This feature allows for flexibility in capturing various transactions, ensuring accuracy and completeness in your accounting records. One of the standout tools here is the GL distribution form, which lets you allocate amounts across different accounting dimensions, such as departments or projects. This is ideal for businesses that need to break down costs or revenue by specific areas. For even more efficiency, users can set up fixed distribution rules, so recurring allocations are automated, saving time and maintaining consistency. Diving into the budgeting feature, which makes it easy to plan, track, and control expenditures within the system. To start, users can define budgets for a financial year, setting specific amounts for various departments, projects, or other categories. Once budgets are in place, you can activate budget controlling, which keeps expenditures in check by comparing actual spending against budgeted amounts. This ensures that you're always aware of your spending relative to your planned budget. A powerful feature here is the option to activate budget control at the purchase order level. This means that if a purchase order exceeds the allocated budget, the system will immediately alert the user, helping to prevent overspending before it happens. You can also set up additional alerts to notify users if a budget is close to being exceeded, keeping everyone informed and aligned with financial targets. Next, we'll be exploring the financial report form in the system, a versatile and powerful tool designed for detailed financial reporting. With this tool, users can create and customize all financial statements to match their exact reporting needs. The structure of each report can be adjusted, so you can specify which ledger accounts or account groups should display balances, giving you total control over what data is included. Additionally, the report columns are fully customizable. Users can define which periods to display, making it easy to generate reports for specific months, quarters, or even years. You can also add comparison columns to show data side by side, such as actual Vs, budget for the same period, which is valuable for analyzing performance and tracking progress. A valuable feature of the financial report form is its conditional formatting, similar to what you'd use in Excel. For instance, if you want to highlight any negative amounts, you can set a rule to automatically format those values, making potential issues stand out immediately. Now, let's generate this report by selecting key parameters like the accounting book, financial period, etc. One of the standout features here is the drill down option. With just a click, users can dive deeper into any figure to view the underlying transaction and understand exactly where those numbers are coming from. This makes it easy to trace figures back to the source, providing transparency and accuracy in reporting.